What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can find your text presets in CapCut. Also, before we get started, if you want to edit your videos in minutes using AI, you can sign up to InVideo AI, and that way you can just edit your videos using prompts. So let's say that you write a prompt, cut out all the pauses and stutters in this video, and InVideo AI will do that for you. So you can check that out from the description below if you're interested. And now let's get started. So once you open up a project in CapCut, to find your text presets, you would need to click on the text option right here. Then click on this drop-down menu that says Add Text. Then go to the Presets tab. And here you can see your templates. But to see your presets, you would need to click on the text that says Templates right here. And then select your space right here above the templates. And in your space, all of your text presets will be saved. So CapCut had an update in which they changed the location of your space presets. So this, guys, is how you can find your presets on CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out InVideo AI. Thank you for watching.